Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. In this video, we will be presenting our assignment on the topic of radio astronomy. This video is part of the requirement for the course PHY260 under the guidance of lecturer Puan Madia. I hope this presentation provides a clear and insightful understanding of the subject discussed. Before we start, I would like to introduce our crew members. My name is Muhammad Ismail Hakim. We have Muhammad Ifwan, Muhammad Haiman Sakawi, Muhammad Omar Hazim, dan Muhammad. About radio astronomy. What is radio astronomy? Radio astronomy basically is a study of the universe by using radio wave. So, from that, we can observe objects like galaxies, stars, pulsars, quasars, and black hole. And we also provide the telescope, which is radio telescope, that can detect faint signal from the space.
Now, I will be sharing how radio telescopes are used to study celestial objects and space phenomena that we can see with regular telescope. The first one is radio telescope detect radio wave from space. This allows us to observe objects that are hidden by dust or invisible light in normal light, revealing a deeper view of the universe. The second one is we use them to study distant galaxies, understanding their structure, movement, and evolution over time. For the third one is pulsar or spinning neutron star that send out regular radio pulse. Radio telescope help us track and study this unique cosmic clock. The next one, although we can see black hole directly, we can observe the radio jet they emit and learn more about what happened around them. The last one is we study quasars, which are bright, powerful objects at the center of galaxies. They give off strong radio signal due to supermassive black hole. Radio telescope help us uncover the hidden universe, from galaxies and pulsars to black hole and quasar. They play a key role in modern space research. About phenomenal radio telescope help study that we highlight two main is pulsars and quasar. In the general, pulsar and quasar are very different objects in space. A pulsar is a small spinning neutron star that sends out regular beam of radiation. We see them as a pulse when the beam points toward Earth. A quasar is a very bright and distant galaxy center powered by a supermassive black hole. It shines brighter than the galaxies around it. In short, pulsar pulse and quasar glow. Both are powerful but not the same. Now, I want to talk about phenomenal radio telescope help study that we highlight two main is pulsars and quasar. In the general, pulsar and quasar are very different objects in space. A pulsar is a small spinning neutron star that sends out regular beam of radiation. We see them as a pulse when the beam points toward Earth. A quasar is a very bright and distant galaxy center powered by a supermassive black hole. It shines brighter than the galaxies around it. In short, pulsar pulse and quasar glow. Both are powerful but not the same. Now, I want to talk about phenomenal radio telescope help study that we highlight two main is pulsars and quasar. In the general, pulsar and quasar are very different objects in space. A pulsar is a small spinning neutron star that sends out regular beam of radiation. We see them as a pulse when the beam points toward Earth. A quasar is a very bright and distant galaxy center powered by a supermassive black hole. It shines brighter than the galaxies around it. In short, pulsar pulse and quasar glow. Both are powerful but not the same. Now, I want to talk about phenomenal radio telescope help study that we highlight two main is pulsars and quasar. In the general, pulsar and quasar are very different objects in space. A pulsar is a small, spinning neutron star that sends out regular beam of radiation. We see them as a pulse when the beam points toward Earth.
Quasars are rapidly spinning neutron stars that emit beams of electromagnetic radiation, usually in radio waves. As the star spins, these beams sweep across space. If Earth lies in the path of the beam, we detect it as a regular pulse, hence the name pulsar radio wave. They have extremely strong magnetic field.
The second phenomena of radio telescope is quasars. The quasars is the background is in the 1950s. Radio telescope detected strong signals from space. These signals had no clear match in visible light, and in 1963, astronomer Martin Schmidt studied one of these objects called 3C273. He discovered it and it had high redshift, meaning it was very far away, billions of light years, and this showed that the signal came from extremely distant and powerful objects. And for the quasars, is the super bright spot at the center of some galaxies. They shine because it's a big black hole pulling matter and very rare, but now scientists have found over 1 million. They are very far away, and they are a type of galaxy center called AGN, active galactic nucleus, and scientists study them by looking at the light and radio waves. And quasars help us learn about space, galaxies, and how the universe has changed over time.
Galaxy in the universe. Galaxy is a system of stars and interstellar matter that create the universe. Second, astronomers study the density and the movement of this gas pocket to map out galaxy. Third, hydrogen gas pocket move around the galaxy that emit low energy radio wave. Last one is radio astronomy help map out the size and shape of galaxy. Cosmic microwave, background radiation. First, Big Bang theory explained how the universe was created from an infinitely small, hot and dense point that rapidly expand and continue to expand. Second, cosmic microwave background (CMB) radiation is cool remnant of the Big Bang, which is the first light of the universe. Third, detected through microwave signal by using a radio telescope by accident. And last one is CMB helps scientists to learn how the universe was formed.
Conclusion: radio astronomy play an important role in our life, especially to expand our knowledge about the universe. By using it, scientists can easily detect and study about the object in the space. They can study a distant object which will help us revealing the hidden mystery of the space.
These sources were essential in helping us to complete our video presentation and were the basic of the information we present. That's all from us. I hope you guys enjoy with our video presentation, exploring the unseen universe with physics. Thank you.